Hey guys, RoonPicker here from another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Submarine #1 by Submarine 876. You can see he made his out of a Schlage brass padlock. Here's the keyway. You can see that the key does work. And if you're wondering why we're outdoors, is because we're going to be entering into Lowell's Wild 1 Year giveaway, and to do that he said we have to pick a lock outdoors attached to something. Here is the bidding on the key, and we are going to see if we can get this open today. Zoom in, there we go. We got it open. Let's go zoom out. There we go. So let's go ahead and take this back to the shop and gut this and see what we got inside. Alright guys, we are back in the shop. We got the lock here. I updated my whiteboard, Submarine #1 by Submariner 876. Lowell's Wild 1 Year. I'll make sure to put that in the description. Key still works. You can see that we got the key right here. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what we got inside. I'm really curious to see what's inside here, because I don't know how well it showed on video, but this one actually put up a pretty big fight. I was having a hard time lifting the pins and getting them to set without oversetting. It kept fighting me. I'd lift the pin and then it would overset, and I'd drop something, and I'd release tension and it wouldn't drop, like it was caught in something. And then I released more tension and then more pins would drop. It was pretty interesting actually. It was a good pick. We'll get this off the back. I've never taken a Schlage padlock apart, so hopefully it's not too difficult, but it appears to be the same as a regular Schlage with this back pin. There's an actuator attached to it though, that's kind of interesting. This, and then let's get a shim, because you never know what's on the inside of these locks. Come on. There we go. Alright, shim is installed. Let's get our follower. Let's use this one. Just that easy. Standard. Huh, interesting. All the key pins are standard. No mods done to the core, I mean. Let's take the shim out and see what we got for driver pins. This. We got a serrated spring, serrated, beautiful looking serrated too, very evenly spaced. Come on. Got spring. Looks like I may have mangled the spring a little bit when I was doing this. Very nice looking spool. That's an interesting serrated. We got fat serrations on this one. This is like a serrated, modified serrated spool. We got a steel spring on this one. Let's go look at this back end here. Another nice looking spool. Beautiful pins. I'm pretty impressed actually. Okay, so this pin is where the money's at. You know what have made this one harder is if he had made this a rattler. It's the rattler design, but it doesn't free float like a rattler does on the shaft. So let's go ahead and take a look at these real quick right here. So look at driver pin 6 or 5. You can see that center serrated, or I guess it's a serrated spool or spool in the center. If he had that free floating, like it would move up and down the shaft, this would have been even more challenging already than it is. You can see the fat serrations on 3 compared to 1. And we got nice looking spools on 2 and 6. No mods to the core or Bible appears. So just really awesome pin work that caused that headache. And good bitting on the key to boot. You can see the highs and lows on 4, 5, and 6. So overall, great lock, very fun. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.